guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day. You know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I'm going to share all the information that you need to know, from photos, detailed photos, prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. We're almost there. I would really appreciate it for every subscription. Thank you so much. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us begin. So this is the continuation of the Men's Spring-Summer 2025 Monogram Iridescent Collection. That will be launching January 13th, 2025. First, we have the Dop Kit. Price of this one is 1,150 USD or 1,420 USD. So the material of this one is the monogram canvas with the iridescent monogram. And of course, next on the collection, we have the Pochette Voyage. You know I love this style of bag. So the price of this one is €975. We have SKU here. Colorway of this one is gray. Materials monogram canvas with iridescent monogram. It would have cowhide leather trims, and also the interior is made of leather as well. So this one, guys, you could convert and use it as a crossbody bag. Next, guys, we have the very beautiful and cute nano steamer. For the price, please stand by, but it is a part of the monogram iridescent collection with the gray colorway. So I love actually the gray colorway, guys. Kindly don't confuse with the Murakami collection. So this is the interior. There are like a design on the interior as well. It would come with the leather detachable strap, and it would come with silver hardware. Next on this one is the very beautiful soft trunk size mini. Price of this one is €2,950. Material is monogram canvas with iridescent monogram. It would have cowhide leather trims as well. It comes with the trunk details. It would come with detachable strap, as you can see here. And I love, of course, the silver hardware. Guys, are you also noticing the charm that it comes with, the headphone charm? So next we have the nail size MM. Price of this one is €2,400. We have SKU here, still the same colorway, which is the gray. Materials monogram canvas. So this is the back side. Love the degradé effect of the monogram, as you can see here. Very, very beautiful. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, next on the collection, moving on, we have the Horizon size 55. So this one price is €3,400. Colorway is gray. So this one, guys, it would come with the same design and the degradé effect of the monogram canvas. Colorway is still the gray, and it would come with cowhide leather trims as well with silver hardware. Love this design. Very chic for traveling. Then we have Keepall 45, another bag good for traveling. So this one size 45. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. This is the interior. Guys, love the design of the interior. It would come with the detachable and adjustable leather crossbody strap. It would come with a leather bag tag as well with silver hardware. Next on the Monogram Iridescent Collection. So this one, guys, this is the skate sneaker. I am featuring this one actually because look at this one, very cute design. Love the design of this one. The price is just a little bit expensive at 2,800 euro. So the colorway is gray, material is monogram canvas. So this is the back side of the shoes, and this is the outsole of the footwear. Then we have Discovery backpack. Price of this one is 2,550 euro. Materials monogram canvas. So as you can see, this is the backpack design. You could carry this one as a top handle. This is the interior. So this is the strap that it comes with. It's padded. So this is perfect for travel or for everyday use. Next on the collection, so now we have the Noir colorway. This one, guys, I have featured, but now we have the price. So we have Keepall size 25. Price of this one is 2,300 euros. So the materials monogram canvas. This one I really love, of course, because this is in Noir. So it means that this is hard wearing. There would be no color transfer. It would come with the leather strap, and it would come with the bag tag as well. Next, we have the Avenue sling bag. Price of this one is 1,950 euro. Gradient Noir colorway, materials monogram canvas with iridescent monogram, as we can see here. It would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with silver hardware. So this Avenue sling bag, guys, you could carry as a shoulder, but mainly as a bum bag style. Next, guys, we have the Amazon crossbody bag. Price of this one is 2,200 euro. Colorway is the Gradient Noir. Materials monogram canvas with iridescent monogram. It would come with cowhide leather trims. It would come with silver hardware, detachable leather strap, and would come with the headphone charm. So this is a camera bag style, which I really love. Super cute. And then we have the envelope crossbody bag. So this is, guys, this is very small. So price of this one is 1,400 euros. So if you're going to purchase this one, maybe what could only fit here would be very minimal, like for example your phone, maybe your credit cards, keys, then that's it. So it could be perfect, for example, for travel, would be hands-free. Then of course, last but not the least, we have the card holder. Price of this one is 340 euro. So love the colorway, as you can see. So Noir gradient colorway, materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and I love, of course, the iridescent monogram feature of the collection. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!